outside route?
No, the inside route is busy. It's Sunday.
It's busy?
Really? Yeah, because people like get taxis from there to go to church and everything. The inside route is passing by Bury, right? Oh, okay.
Instead one by Smith in the garage, then it goes straight and then it turns there. Then from there it's just straight.
Okay. Oh, my eyes.
We are ready. 7 p.m. fried. It's not.
Let's go. Okay.
Where's the boot? Are you not taking it out?
Oh. Let's go hiking. Are you okay?
Whatever. Good relax.
You'll send me a pin. Look at my shit cause you know what I'm on. But when you hit me, I'm not gonna respond. But I don't sleep enough without you. And I can't eat enough without you. If you don't speak, does that mean we're through? Don't like sneaky shit that you do. Where's the layer? Where's the layer? He doesn't see us. You're not looking at me, boy. Where's the layer? Where's the layer?
Hiking about what? Entrance fee. Why is there a dog? Get in here. Can you please help me? Yes, they are. Which side? So this part, they do have a spooky haze, but we're just so tired to go there. It's just right there as we continue. Shoot, this is beautiful. Ooh. I know that's a lot too. Thank you.
Yeah, even more.
But I don't know if I want pork ribs or chicken schnitzel.
I haven't checked the menus yet.
Get pork ribs.
Chicken schnitzel is better. Is it one breast?
Get pork ribs.
What drinks? What did you get? Pizza?
It's not like it's not or can I get the chicken version? Does it come with the mushroom sauce?
So you can choose the mushroom cheese sauce.
What are you having as a
know what are you having?
I was thinking pizza.
Pizza now.
Yeah, but I haven't checked the menu.
You go wrong, it's fine.
I needed this. Oh, it's better than water at this point. Right? Whoa.
I feel like I'm always having ribs.
Yeah, wings.
Steak.
Where's my lip balm?
Yeah, get ribs.
No, it's one.
I haven't checked.
I drink. I don't even know what I'm gonna drink.
A minute. Yes, you can come. Ooh, you can come after a minute.
You fully flying fish?
Which pizza are you having? Bacon and feta.
Yes. You feel like a cute drink? I can imagine. I'm a cocktail.
Cocktails.
Oh, and that's. Can you drink water?
Yeah, no. I also don't know, but I'm thinking pizza. But then now, the only pizza you want to eat it's yours.
One pink is 5 kilometers and green is 9 kilometers.
So we did a 9K. 9 kilometers.
That wasn't bad.
No, nah, that was hectic, especially after that bridge. I almost died.
Yeah, when we had to throw our water away.
I think
Yeah, at some point we had to throw our water away because we couldn't die. We already saw the zebras and the springbok. What else do they have?
Keeps on getting worse. That's what I've been in.
Nah, I wouldn't do a game drive, yeah. Nah, I'm okay. Yeah, please, bro. I'm sure Kayako, that one, Emerald. Yako Val. Yeah, that, yeah. Not here, nah. I've already saw the thingimus. The zebras. Springbok, what else? Oh, they do have? One. I know, must be tired. So, Mama, you tell us how it went, ne? Yeah, nah. Are we not supporting you in that one? That's the thing. People, content creators, guys. They know the right angles. They know how to edit the whole video. So obviously when it comes out, it's like, yo, there's so much to do. I wouldn't drive an hour for this. Yeah. That's why I was against changing, because I was like, no, everyone sitting in this restaurant, they're all wearing like sportswear and stuff because they just took a hike or something. So now imagine if we had to go and change. Nah, I was not gonna do that.
I'm not play out, just fuck a lot. I'm still not a player, but you still a hater. Elevator to the top high. See you later, I'm gone. Penthouse suite, penthouse race, in-house beach, fresh house seats, 10,000 east, right down these. For the option to buy, cop at a 5 of pins when I'm not. Roll for the sky, roll for the lie. With my twins, Zito, up in the Benzito.
Good morning. I hope you're good. The last time we spoke was the day we went hiking, and then the day after I literally did nothing. Yesterday I was watching Chucky the whole day. So welcome to another day on the vlog. Don't have much to do today, probably will be chilling, but right now just getting prepared so we can go get breakfast at McDonald's. Yeah, I think that's all. So I just didn't want to vlog yesterday because I was not doing anything. I was really just relaxing, and that's all. But yeah, I hope you're enjoying the vlog so far.
I've regulated every shit in the ass. Long as you show class and pass my test. Fat ass impressed, highly intelligent, pass the rest. That's the best, I won't settle for less. I want a gettable man with unforgettable sex. The leg ahead of my chest, I feel my heartbeat. Break apart the G, one more deep, but just mark the leaf. It's hard to breathe since I found you. Every pretty round hole, wanna go down low. Put this boogie down low, fresh to know. I'ma let you know what's up with the pros. Get your clothes, get you got to go. With the no downstairs, little brown hairs everywhere. I don't care, round here they call me Big One. If you with the big guns, big time, don't make the chicks come.
Tell everyone to subscribe to my channel. because we are back. Why didn't I do this? Oh, sorry. I'm such a bad. Oh, so fresh. This is the first cake. You're hoping for a second.
If you get nervous, just
with cake.
picture everybody naked. Think you bought it in the wrong dream, huh?
Yay.
We had a rock solid plan, Phil.
It's not
Too bad
bad.
you couldn't stick to it.
I did a
It
good
only
job.
turns out I've done better without your endorsement.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, this is a restricted entrance. Unless you got campaign passes, you can't go backstage.
Hey, you don't understand? Phil Banks is my phone. Yo, trust me, it's an emergency. We need to see him.
Then call him.
Yo, we already tried, man. He's not answering.
Yeah.
Welcome to another day of the vlog. Yo guys, I don't know how this vlog is gonna go about. I know it's everywhere, but I'll just see when I edit. Initially I wanted to go back to YouTube or come back to YouTube for the longest time. I mean, it's been 3 years since I even posted a video. Yo, a lot has been going on, like work-wise, school-wise, so every time I really wanted to go back to YouTube. But then back then, the reason why I stopped is because I got mugged. So the phone that I was using to shoot with, they took it, and I started working on projects, and I was all away, like all the time I was traveling to different provinces, and so that whole thing delayed. However, I was just trying to get myself busy on Instagram, TikTok. Please follow me on Instagram, Zanile_Ngwekani, and on TikTok as well. So now I was like, I always do fun things for my birthday, guys. Like, I travel a lot and I've been doing really nice things. So it would be nice if I had all these things that I've been doing on a vlog, or it would have been nice recording them for YouTube. But then I was like, you know what? Because I'm going away for my birthday this year, I'll just record. I'll just go back to YouTube, try and capture all these moments. But I had a very interesting weekend, so I was like, you know, let me start there. So yes, please guys, subscribe, tell your friends, tell your families, your colleagues, your friends, everyone, just to subscribe. I'm back, and I hope and I pray this time I'll be consistent. I'm not leaving, I'm sure of that. Thank you for watching the vlog. We're going to start a new vlog today. We are going away for my birthday, so I'm gonna start recording. I'm gonna start recording now. I'm going to the salon, but then I'm thinking, you know what, let me just end this vlog because I think it's been 3 days, and then I'll carry on with a new vlog where I'll capture everything for my birthday. But thank you so much, guys. I hope this vlog went well. Hey, I really hope this vlog went well because it's been a while. It was a bit awkward when I started. I was like, yay, but then you know what, when you do something constantly, you get the hang of it. So thank you so much, BTs. Please subscribe, tell everyone to subscribe. Let's subscribe to my channel, and see you on the next vlog. Thank you.